Anisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to this new video. So we are at part 2 of showing off all my inventory that I am going to launch on my website. So the launch has officially happened like right now when the video has come live. So today, that is 20th October for you guys, I have launched my brand new website selling a load of items, and the star of the show is definitely these bags. So basically, these are the totes by Cozy Creation. I have designed them myself. These are the hobby totes. It reads too many hobbies, not enough time, and it has loads of hobbies. And you can find this tote on my website right now. Those are for 349 rupees. And if you use the code TOTE, you will get the tote bag with free shipping. So yeah, you can get this tote bags. We currently have limited number of totes that will be available, so go and grab one right now. Okay, so moving on, we have three broad categories left to show you guys. So the first one of it being soft toys, and you guys know I love my soft toys. This time we have a bunch of new soft toys that I'm going to launch on the website. First, we are going to start with the classic soft toys, and then I'm going to build up to the new soft toys that we have. So firstly, we are going to go to our classic whales. This one is like very squishy. It's black on the bottom and tan on the side, like the top, and it's just very soft, very cute. Next, we have another whale. This is the blue whale. So this is again in the larger section, very soft, very cute. And last but not the least, we have this pink puffer whale. It's like very puffy and again very soft and very cute. So basically, these two medium size whales will be for 575 rupees, whereas the small whale will be for 529 rupees, I believe. Yeah, this one will be 529. And also, if you guys buy something for more than 499, you will get a free shipping. So, or if you buy any of the whale, the shipping will be absolutely free. So moving on, I have my laptop right there. So if you see me constantly looking there, it's just to look at my laptop. So I can figure out all the things that I need to show to you guys. So moving on, again, this is something we have already had in our previous markets and it was a hit. So we have made some more ducks. So these are the ducks. We have like limited quantity of ducks because this color was by Bonbon yarn and it is sold out. So I cannot find more of this colors. I think they have discontinued this yarn. So yeah, this is going to be discontinued. I feel I have to find another color yarn to make ducks out of. But yeah, this is the duck. Yeah, so I have two ducks and these are the only ducks. So yeah, I think this is very cute. Again, very soft, very mushy. So moving on, I think now we have to move towards something which we had in the previous market, but this is bigger and better. I'm talking about our penguins. So I have 5 colors in the penguins. So I'm going to start with our classic bestseller. These are the black and gray penguin. I really like how it looks. It's very soft. It looks really cute as a desk buddy. So you can just put it on the desk and it's just something cute while you're working. So the next color, also a very classic color, is this brown. So it's brown and tan or something. On the bottom, again, very cute as a desk buddy, very soft as well. Next, these are some not so penguin colors, but I still like them. We have this one. This is like a maroon and pink one. I really think this is very cute. We had like 2 pink penguins in our previous pop-up and they sold, so I thought people might like this color. And then I think this is like my favorite one among these. It's this purple one. I really love how it looks. Again, very squishy, like a good stress ball as well. And yeah, I really love it. And last but not the least, let me know if you think this is a penguin or a chicken or something else. We have this one. It's in yellow color. I really think it looks like a very cute chicken penguin. I love the colors. It's yellow and cream, I believe. So these are 5 colors of penguin that we are offering right now. If you want any custom color, you can mail me. Every details are available on the website. You just have to go to shop policies and there are instructions on how you can send a mail or how you can chat with me in regards to any custom orders that you want. So next we are going to show another one of my favorite soft toys that I have made. This is totally new. If you see, though, I have a video regarding to these soft toys, like next few. So this is when I was trying some free Instagram patterns in acrylic as well as plush yarn. I'll link the videos somewhere in the description box probably. So first I'm going to take you to this one. This is a very pretty frog. I just love it. This is by Aki Plushies on Instagram, I believe. So yeah, this is like the very cute and chonky frog. I love it. I was not sure if I like it or not, but I made like three and I love it now. So these soft toys are for 449 rupees, whereas the ducks were for 499 rupees. So yeah, we have this cute frog. Next, again, this was made in that video itself, another part. But we have this chicken with hats. It's very cute. I have this purple one and I have this green one. I have this maroon one. And last but not the least, in this size, I have this blue one. This is the one I made on the challenge or like the video. And all of this again are for 499 rupees. And then I have like a short, like small version. And I just unfortunately have one color in it. And it's this little pink chicken or duck or whatever you want to call it. And this will be, I believe, for 449 rupees. Again, very cute as a desk buddy, very squishy, and I personally love it. Next, we have some of the freebies that I've decided to not sell anymore. Firstly, we have this flower pot. This is a tulip flower pot. It's the only one I have left in the tulip section. And same goes with this rose flower pot. I'm planning to add them in the freebies section. So if a person buys, say, XX items, they'll get this as a freebie. Next, I have some of the soft toys which I am not sure if I want to sell anymore or I just want to frog it. It are these like octos which are made by some other yarn and I don't particularly like it. So I'll either sell them as a freebie or something, or I'll just untangle it and make stuffing or something else with it. So now moving on to like the biggest plushie I have in the shop right now. It is, you guessed it, it's this very pretty Snoopy plushie. I love it. It has like the red collar and white design. I really like how soft it is. It's like perfect cuddle buddy, and the eyes as well as nose. Everything is stitched on, so it's pretty safe for newborn babies. They can just cuddle to it. I love it. So basically, this is the plushie, and I'm selling it for 1200 rupees. Again, it's like pretty huge. So yeah, these, and then there are some plushies I made last night or like a night or two before. These are again some new patterns I have never tested before. So firstly, I think I showed it to my friends and they're like, what is this color? But I made some fun tortoise in fun shells and body color. First, we have this one. It's light gray body. I know it looks like blue, but it's light gray. That's the name. And then it has a red shell. I really think it looks very cute. We have again a light gray body, but purple this time. Very cute. And last but not the least, this is probably my favorite one and the most similar to a tortoise. It's this brown one with light brown body. I really like it. So I'm planning to sell this once for 549 to 599. I've not decided. Again, I just made it yesterday for me, and I'm sure it will be already up on the website if you want to buy. I really think these are very cute and they'll make a very cute desk buddy as well. And again, very soft, can be squished, no problem whatsoever. And then last but not the least, this is a new pattern by a girl who not, I believe, she just hit 5,000, so she released this new pattern. I saw it and I knew I wanted to make it. So it is this dog pattern. I mean, this is the one I made with like two colors combined. It's like a light cream color and I don't know what this color is called, but this is like the first dog I made. And then last but not the least, I think this is the favorite dog I will ever make. Is this very cute brown little dog. I love it. I mean, it also has a little tail. It just looks so cute. It's the color Just Brown by Hobby Store. And again, super soft. I just feel it can also be attached as a keychain and it will be very cute. So I think, yeah, that is it. All the soft toys that I have made. Now we are quickly going to move on to our flowers. Okay, so I have this old box of a fan in which I have all my flowers right now. So first we are going to start with some of the classic flowers which have like no other colors. And yeah, you guessed it right, my favorites, sunflowers. So these are the sunflowers that we have. Again, look at the back, it's green and the front is obviously brown with yellow stick. We have an offer going on our flowers, that is buy two and get 60 rupees off the third one. So you can choose from any of the flowers that I'm going to show, and if you buy one flower, that will be for 229 rupees. So I'm going to show you daisy. So these are the daisy flowers that we have. Again, yellow on both side and then the white, typical white daisy. So again, very pretty, same price, 229 rupees. And then I have two colors of the tulips. Again, they are limited editions, I'm not going to make any more tulips. So these are the two colors that we have. This is the color called desert rose, I believe, and then this is a orange tulip that we have. Moving quickly to our roses, best sellers at my shop since I started. Let's start with the classics. Red, so we have two options in red. So this is like a light red and then we have a dark red. Next we have a lot of options in pink. I'm going to pull it out really quickly. Okay, so these are the 5 options that I have in pink. Let me just show it to you one by one. So we have this one, then we have this dark pink, then we have a neon Barbie pink, then we also have a desert rose, and then obviously we have to have a classic light pink. So these are all the pinks that I have to offer right now. And then some of the other colors, I think this is like one of the new colors we have. Okay, so you know, a yellow, which is a classic color again. Then we have two shades of purple. This is like a dark purple lavender, and then we have a light lavender color. So these are all the colors of roses that I am offering right now. And again, all of the roses, all of the flowers are for 200 rupees for one. And if you buy 3, you will get 60 rupees off the third flower that you purchase. I've tried to give a lot of offers, I know, but I just feel that it's better to have like a combination of things which people would like, rather than just being very strict with the policies or with the prices. I think it's important for you to know your customers, know what they like, and then you can adjust the price if you think it's less or more in the future. But currently I am pretty much just trying to build a client base. I think those were the main flowers that we have to offer. I'm just going to quickly set them all up, and then we are going to go to our last and probably my best sellers, which are our keychains. Now we can finally go to our keychain section. So you guys know I have this huge box, and then I also have another box or bag, I think. Yeah, this bag which is full of keychains. So first I'm going to show you some classics which have been bestsellers on my market, in my pop-up stores as well, and that are all what I have here. So first I'm going to show you one of my original, or like one of the first designs I ever made. It is this whale design. So very pretty whale, I really love it. I have a bunch of colors in them. You can go and check out on the website and choose your favorite color, and I'm going to show a few to you. So we have obviously this gold whale, then we have a yellow one, then we have this multicolor one. I think this is the limited edition one. So yeah, if you want like this one, just grab it real quick. Then we have the orange one, a classic if you guys are here from the start. Another one of the classic is this maroon one. Then we have like a bunch of pink. We have this pinky, we have salmon pink, and we also have this new pink color. And then we have some reds in this too, like light red and a dark red. And obviously we have to have some shades of purple and blue. So these are some of the shades of purple that we have. And then obviously we have to have a blue whale. I also have a light blue whale. And then we have some of the mystery whales. Again, you can select the mystery version and you will get some fun color, which might or might not be in the listing. So these are basically all the whales that I have right now. Moving on to one of the other patterns which was pretty famous, and that is our octo pattern. So first I have this very pretty pink octo, and again I have bunch of colors. So we have this peacock color, we have a green octo, Then we have this like tan octo, and we also have a yellow octo, which is right. I think it's facing the right way. We obviously have the classic orange octo, and then I think we have like some blue, red, lots of color. You can just check it out on the website. Next, again, this was like a new design in my last market. So that is this duck design. You already seen the plushie. I also made it into a keychain. Okay, so I forgot to tell you the prices. So I'm just going to tell you the prices. Firstly, I'm going to start with the octos prices. So these octos will be for 229 rupees, whereas for the veils, those will be for 249 rupees. Again, if you buy two of them, it's free shipping. And also, I have an offer going on. If it's your first purchase, you just need to write the code first and you'll get 10% off no matter what your order price is. Even if it's 200, you'll get 10% off, but you have to pay the shipping. I think those were the classic. And for the duck keychains, as I was showing, we obviously have the classic yellow duck. I made a lot of the yellow ones because it was pretty famous. Some of the other colors, we have this gray duck, then we have a golden duck, again a cricket reference, and then we have this colorful duck for some reason. So this is the purple duck, and these are all the ducks that I'm offering. For the ducks, the price is 279 rupees. So moving on, next we have a strawberry keychain, which is right here. So I have this 3D strawberry keychain, and I also have the small strawberry keychain. It's a flat strawberry, very concise. So as for the flat strawberry, I'm selling it for 129 rupees, and for this large strawberry, I'm selling it for 249 rupees. So yeah, these are the two strawberries that I have. Now moving on to some of like the classic best sellers. Those are our sunflower keychain. So this is the brown sunflower keychain, and then we also have this brown and green sunflower keychain, and the third classic trio is this daisy. So we have all of these keychains. I believe they will be for 179 rupees. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you is one of the newest addition, and I'm really excited to share these with you guys. They are this mushroom keychains, and yes, they are poppet mushrooms. So it's like a great sensory toy. I can't stop playing with it once I start. I mean, it's just so cute. And I have three colors in them. First is our classic red mushroom. So yeah, we have this red one. Next, we have this peach one. Again, love it. Very cute. And then one I showed you before is the black one. And I'm going to sell these keychains for 249 rupees each. Next, we have some bow keychains. You already seen the bow clips. They were really popular. So I decided to come up with the bow keychains. And I'm going to show you few colors that I offer. So first is this gray bow keychain. Then we have to have a black keychain. So I have this black bow keychain. Next, we have this red one. Again, I feel it's very pretty. And we also have some more. This is like a pinky keychain. I think this will come under the mystery section. I'm not sure. I also have some more, but you can check them out on the website itself. And I'm going to sell them for 179 rupees. So that is all that was in this bag. So I'm just going to quickly fill it up. Okay, the last bag that I have is this one. And here we have some of the costlier keychains, if I may. So firstly, I'm going to show you a few of the mystery keychains that I'm going to offer this time. I think I'm not going to show you all of the colors because it's a mystery keychains, but I'll show you a couple. So we have mystery keychains basically in two designs. One is the whale and one is the octo. So let's start with our whale keychains. So I have this separate design for them. They are made with 100% polyester. So they are super sweet and squishy. So these are basically the keychains. Again, very cute, very squishy. And yeah, these are the two colors that I'm going to show right now. You can try and guess which more colors are there. But basically, if roughly I want to tell you, there are yellows and some orange, pinks and blues, a lot of colors. So yeah, these are all the mystery keychains that we have. And now moving on to our octos. So some of the colors for our octos. This first one is of white color. This is not present in the whale design. This is octo exclusive. And then we also have this blue one. So these are again very squishy, very cute. and both of these are for 229 rupees. And you can get any, you can't choose which one you want. It's a cute mystery and you can try to collect all of them. So next we have one of like the best sellers of the last time. So those are, you guessed it right, those are this penguin keychains. So this was the best seller for my last market. If you haven't checked the vlog out, you can check, I'll put it in the description box below. So this is the classic black and gray one, and then another one of the favorites was this brown one. And then we also have a bunch of colors. I'll just show you as much as I can. Okay, I have grabbed some of them for you guys. So let's start with this one. This is a orange and a peach one. Next we have a pink and plum color. Again, I think it's very cute. Then we have a purple and lavender one. Next we have another of the blue and light blue color. And then we also have this green one. I believe I also have a red one which I could not find, but you can check it out on the website. Now last but not the least, I showed it to you guys in a previous vlog, like a recent vlog. So I'm just going to try and quickly show some of the colors, and those are these cute chicks with hat keychains. I really think those are very cute. So I'm just going to grab a selection of colors and then I'll just show it to you guys. Let me just show you some of the colors that we offer. So this is a green one, a teal one, this rose pink one, this dark pink one. I also have some more shades of pink. Check out my website. We have a black or a charcoal gray color, this tan, not a tan but like a off-white ivory color. So these are all the keychains that I have to offer as of right now. This may or may not increase in the future. You can check out the website. Everything is listed there. There are a lot of offers that are going on the website right now. A lot are just automatic offers, but I am also providing you weekly offers. If you subscribe to my channel, there will be a weekly promo code at the end of the week's video. So as you guys know, this week we are offering 10% off to everyone who uses the code first. So yeah, you can check out my website and let me know if you guys want anything added to my website. You can do so by just commenting what you want. And I think, yeah, this is where I have to end this video. I hope you like it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos and finding a new promo code every week. Comment down below which was your favorite item of all the things that I showed. And we are on a road to reach 1000 subscribers. Once I do reach 1000, I am planning to do a giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. It's cozycreations.in or Crochet by Anisha. You can follow both. Also, did you notice the banner? It's not visible, but still. But yeah, I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.